how to create leads magnet on Facebook. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create leads on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Facebook Business Manager on your laptop or PC and sign into your account, and you will be redirected to this page. After that, you have to click on this option where it says All Tools. Over here, you have to click on Instant Forms. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on Create Form. After that, you have to select New Form and click on Next. And over here, you have to just customize your form according to your needs. For example, you can add form name and can choose its type. You can also set the intro things like headings, descriptions, background images, and many more things. And you can also add customize and prefill questions. After you are done with all these things, what you have to do is just click on the create form and your form will be created. So that's how you can create leads magnet on Facebook. That's all for this video.